Light up your house, light up your neighborhood with this amazing Christmas tree. Right here, I have this absolutely amazing Christmas tree that popped up. As you just saw, I set this up in about a minute. This is truly a very, very quick and easy pop-up Christmas tree that has a bunch of different lights to go on through the button down here. So it's really nice that that plugs in. You can zip tie all of that together that comes with the kit and keep it all kind of condensed. But there's a ton of different modes that you can put this on, but I do love how nice this looks. With it being a pop-up, it's still very full. You can't really even see on the inside. There is a dark green bar that we have to put on, but it goes all the way to the floor and it actually gives you enough space to maybe even put something under there, like a train or something nice. But it even comes with bulbs. It does come with a couple extra stuff, so you can adjust it if you need to. And we just have a bunch of cool elements to this tree. I love how you can change all of the colors, and there's even a nice bow on top to complete it. And I do also like how we have like a tip on the top. So even if you want to bring your own star and put your own star on, this is one skinny piece, as you can see here. So you can definitely put a star on top, and that is bendable as well up there too. So if you need to like angle it, because sometimes the stars can be a little bit heavy, so that'll be perfect. And we're even going to get this really nice remote too. So you can change a bunch of different settings on here. We got the white, we got the multi-changing modes, we got the colors. I don't even know what else there is. There's so many different options. It looks like there's 11 different ones to change from. So if you want this to cycle, if you want it to flash, if you want to put this by your window, this thing's actually pretty tall. I would say it is just as tall as me. It's 6 foot, looks absolutely amazing, really full. I love the colors. I love the ribbon going around. This is the perfect tree. If you're looking for something quick, if you're looking for something easy that's gonna look amazing, stow this away at the end of the year, set up and tear it down about a minute, makes little to no mess whatsoever. There's just a tiny bit of glitter that's gonna go around those red flowers right there. But that was about it. Just a little bit of glitter. Everything else is amazing. I highly recommend this. Light up your house, light up your neighborhood with this amazing Christmas tree. Add this to your cart. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.